Hey guys, this is Brad from Blue Nile Farm. Today is December 30th, 2024. Last night, December 29th, 2024, we wound up having some really horrendous winds in my area. They were over 50 miles an hour. Most of you may have seen one of my prior videos about my hoop structure going down. It had machinery in it and hay after Thanksgiving this year with the snow load. Well, my hay was covered for a long time because of the tarp from the building. Well, today it pretty much shredded it all off based upon the wind. So I want to take you on a tour, show you some of the damage that's just been done, all the exposed hay. And since it's just going into January, it's going to be one long half a year between now and 2025, at least till June. So enjoy the video, and I'll kind of show you kind of the damage that's been done. And hopefully you guys are never in this type of situation, because it is really pretty crappy. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just wanted to give you an update of where we're at. I have a lot of decisions to make right now, and what am I going to do? How am I going to make it through the next 5 months? I have customers that buy hay. I pretty much just shut down my hay rebaling program, and I have no storage at all. So I have no idea what I'm going to do, and I feel bad for my customers, and I'm going to lose a lot of money. So unfortunately, this has not been a good thing. So I'll kind of give you guys updates as my progression and where I decide to go. Some people say this, this may be a good thing. Right now, I don't feel it's too good. So, every day is a struggle trying to manage it and trying to deal with it. So, again, thanks for watching, and see you guys soon.